talk about ETH real quick. If you're trading ETH right now, you're probably freaking out. If you're trading any crypto right now, you can basically figure that it's following ETH. So you're probably freaking out even more so. If ETH moves 5 or 10%, then your coin below it, might move 10 or 20%, or your even smaller market cap might move 30 to 50% on a move like this. So when in doubt, zoom out and look left. So if you were in here, just trading on this, tight time frame, you thought you had yourself an area, especially if you were trading on, a daily basis, then, you probably thought you had a bottom around 1296. You might even have caught that dip this morning, and then thought you were trading this range in here from like 1300 to 1325. I mean, that's a pretty tight range. Maybe you tried trading 1300 hoping you were going back to 1350 right now or something. Who knows? We all have different things we get caught up in. But in the bigger scheme of things, zoom out, look left, and really you're just still in your trend box. That's all we're doing here. You're coming back down. You're testing the support, which was last tested on Sunday, the October 2nd. Prior to that, we were hitting these trend lines between the 27th and 28th of September, the 25th, 23rd. Came up off that from the 22nd. So after that, it was about every 2 days, every 48 hours. Then we went from that to it being, what do we do here? From the last one, 28, to the second. So you had a few days there. Now we've gone from the second to the 10th, so a full week basically. And we're just coming back down and testing support with everything that's happened in the overall stock market, as well as all the escalations with the wars and inflation and all the bad news that we've already had coming into this week, as well as knowing that we have Fed reports coming Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and continued volatility expected all through the end of this week. I'm surprised that we haven't lost this support already. I'm surprised we're not already below these lines. So if anyone's freaking out, try to find some sort of calming, some sort of solace, some sort of something with the fact that you're still just in this range. We're ranging from, roughly 1250 to 1390. If you wanted to talk about these outliers, you're ranging from, and if you want to include all, this bottom, you're ranging from 1225 to 1425. That's your biggest part of your range, but your real range has really been in this area of 1280 to 1380. You're in $100 range. And when you get these wicks and these candles down below, typically over the last couple weeks, this has been where you buy, have some patience, sell up in these ranges, wait till you come back down and touch. That's where we're at. I'm not telling you that's what you should be doing right this second. It's for educational purposes only, as we know. But, just look at it for what it is. Don't make it more than that until this is invalidated. Until we close a candle below this and start a trend below this that then comes back and tests and shows that this is resistance, it cannot break, and we continue having problems down below and then create a new box and a new range trending down below. This is your range and you're still in it. I would be expecting these next few candles, depending on if you're trading on the hourly, whatever, to possibly come down here a little further, maybe have some more contact, maybe even try to wick into or through this a little bit, but don't freak out immediately. Remember, unless you start closing bodies of candles below this and staying below this, this is still your trend, and the trend is your friend. This will be support for now, unless we just blast through it, come back up, and it immediately turns into resistance. Until proven otherwise, expect this support to hold and trade this range based on what it is.